Hello everyone, this is Bobin Koda. I will be teaching you today logic building patterns in Dart, and you will understand. I will make you things very clear and very we will be doing here logic. Before learning this code and printing this T, we need to learn some basic concept about matrix. Matrix is not difficult. It is just rows and columns. Okay, just rows and columns. For T, for building pattern T, we need to target. Okay, row 1 and column 1. This starts row 2 and column 2. This starts row 1 and column 3. So row 2 column 2, because we don't need to print here row 3 and column 2. Okay, other will be spaces. So I will be making you things and simple, but we must need to write and or operator. We will be understanding that now. Okay, so in row 2 and C1, row 2 and C1, why I am writing this? Okay, first of all, for making this T pattern 1 2 3 4 5 logic you need to implement. Okay, but here you see that 1 2 3 4, there are only 4 boxes with no stars. So my logic is, this is my logic is printing this spaces and else will be printed by the loops automatically. Okay, so in R2 and C1 there is space, in R2 C3 is there is space, in R3 C1 is there is space, and R3 there is empty. Okay, except these all we will be printing stars. Okay, so we need to know the logical or operator and operator. That the condition we need to implement. Okay, the loop will be first iterate to the R1 and column will be for the nested for loop. So R1 and C1 will be pointed here first. Okay, which means R1 will be a common point for all the columns. Okay, as well as R2 will be common for all the columns and R3 will be common for all the columns. So here we need to implement that 2 and 3 is AND for these both conditions, and R3 is AND for both these conditions, and we need to print OR. If any box lies this and this, we need to print space here. So if both there is space, the condition will be not satisfied. So any of this condition is true, print space. If any of this condition, if there is this row and this column, print space. If there is this row and this column, print space. Here do not print this. Okay, so logic will be simple here. See, if R2 and J1 and J3, here J1 and J3 is simple and clear. J1 is this and J2, J3 is this, R3 is this and J1 is this and J2, J3 is this. Okay, so simple logic Thank you for watching this video and hope you will understand. Please like and share and follow to my social handles if you like the further video. Thank you.